We now have all 8 of the white piano keys, and the sprites have been renamed accordingly, and the labels have been adjusted. And as well, we have gone through and set the appropriate key to match. So now when we click through the keys, we get now is probably a good time to save this so that if the computer were to crash, we wouldn't lose everything, but I'm going to call this my piano. And now our task is to build the black keys. There's 5 of them that go above and over top the ones we have here. So we'll get started on that. Duplicate one of these existing ones so that we get the code that we need, the scripts. And this one's going to be C#. And we want it to look different. So we're going to start by clearing what we have here and deleting the second costume. Start over by building a smaller black key. It's going to go up in the top. And this one we want to fill with black color. And we want to label it as well, although this time it's C#. And just like the white keys, we want to duplicate this now and simply change the color of costume 2 so that you can see when it gets clicked on. Now we can go ahead and position this. And if we adjust the script so that it plays the correct note, I can see that we put the label in the wrong place, so I'm just going to go get that and adjust it. Select around that text and just hold up the arrow key and move it to a more suitable place. And it's easier to just delete the second costume and duplicate the first one and change the color that it is to move the text in the second one. So we'll go ahead and do that. So now what we need to do is create the remaining 4 black keys. So I won't bore you by walking through that process. It's just duplicate and drag it around to the right place and change the label and change the note that it plays. So when we come back in the next video, we should have all of our keys and fully functional piano.